Hey guys, this is the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2, and I'm showing you a bug that I see when I'm trying to watch YouTube. This is in the portrait mode, and as you can see, there's a line that you see on the side, or the icon still there. Okay, this is in landscape mode. Again, you'll see the subscribers info, so on the side that's not taken out. This is the folded screen. You see a line on the right hand side as well as the subscribers. So that still happens every now and then. Of course, there's also the bug issue where you see that it won't go into a higher screen mode, but you can see that it works fine. But you have to restart YouTube sometimes just to get that bug to disappear. Now, if I click back on YouTube, you should see that it's cleared up. Thanks for watching.